Welcome back everyone, and thank you for stopping by the channel today. In this video, I will show you how to move tabs to the inactive section in the Brave Beta browser on mobile. If you often keep many tabs open. First, open the Brave Beta browser on your mobile phone. Next, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the three dots menu. Then, tap on Settings from the list that appears. After that, tap on Tabs and Groups to open the tab management options. Here, you will see a section related to inactive tabs. Next, choose when you want your tabs to move to the inactive section. You can select after 7 days inactive, after 14 days inactive, or after 21 days inactive, depending on your preference. Finally, once you select the option you want, Brave Beta will automatically move unused tabs to the inactive section. This helps reduce clutter, improve performance, and keep your active tabs easy to find. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.